families who want to stand out and make memories, the ID. Buzz is the ultimate choice. It's a triumph of design and engineering. The ID. Buzz brings joy and innovation to the family car segment. If you want style, space, and sustainability, this is your ride. So what defines the best family cars in 2025? It's all about a complete package. Advanced safety is now standard. Features like emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and lane keeping assist are must-haves. Electrified powertrains, hybrid plug-in, or full EV are more important than ever for saving money and reducing emissions. Spacious, flexible interiors with smart storage and easy third-row access set the best apart. Tech matters. Multiple USB ports, big touchscreens, and seamless smartphone integration keep everyone connected and entertained. Flexible cargo solutions like hands-free liftgates and adjustable floors make daily life easier. The best family cars feel like they were designed by parents for parents. It's not about one feature but how everything works together to make family life smoother. These 5 pillars, safety, electrification, smart space tech, and cargo flexibility, are the blueprint. Cars that excel here aren't just transportation, they're part of the family. In 2025, families expect more, and the best cars deliver. The right vehicle makes every journey safer, easier, and more fun. That's what truly sets the top family cars apart. The modern family car is smarter, safer, and more helpful than ever. What's next for family cars? The future is even brighter. Affordable electric SUVs are on the way, with the new battery tech making EVs more accessible. Subscription services could let families swap vehicles as their needs change. AI will turn cars into smart co-pilots, learning your habits and anticipating your needs. Sustainability will go beyond powertrains. Think solar panels and recycled materials. Safety tech will become predictive, with cars communicating with each other and the world around them. Imagine your car warning you about hazards before you even see them. The family car is evolving into a connected, intelligent partner. In the next decade, expect safer, smarter, and greener vehicles for every family. The journey is just beginning. The future of family cars is about making life easier, safer, and more enjoyable. Get ready for a revolution in how families travel. There you have it, the best family cars of 2025 and a glimpse at what's next. From practical hybrids to bold electrics and luxury SUVs, there's never been more choice. The perfect family car depends on your needs, budget, and sense of adventure. In 2025, there's an option for every family. Just find the one that fits you. Which would you choose? Let us know in the comments. Your feedback helps this community grow. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe for more on the latest in family cars. Thanks for watching.